Welcome back to Cars Trends, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in automotive excitement. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes E-Class, a car that redefines modern luxury sedans with cutting-edge tech and timeless elegance. Stay tuned because we'll unpack every detail backed by real data. Now let's crank up the excitement. Imagine this, a sophisticated yet bold sedan rolling into view. Its new grille framed by digital LED headlights that adapt to your drive. That's the 2026 E-Class exterior. More than a refresh, it's a reinvention. The front fascia now features a seamless black panel grille with illuminated edges, giving it a futuristic glow. Sculpted lines run along the profile, flowing into an elegant rear with redesigned tail lamps. Optional AMG body kits and fresh wheel designs amplify its sportier side. Mercedes offers new colors with rich metallic finishes that make a distinct impression wherever it goes, boardroom or boulevard. Step inside, and the interior welcomes you with an embrace of intelligent luxury. Look. Picture Napa leather, polished wood, and brushed aluminum coming together in perfect harmony. The centerpiece is the massive superscreen, blending the instrument cluster, central display, and even a passenger screen under one glass surface. MBUX technology controls it all with natural voice commands, haptic touch, and seamless smartphone integration. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and biometric authentication are standard. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats pamper occupants, while a Burmester 4D surround sound system transforms your playlist into a live concert experience. Now, onto performance, where innovation meets grace. Under the hood, the 2026 E-Class debuts a range of mild hybrid engines, starting with a 2.0-liter turbo inline 4, producing 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. For more punch, the E450's inline 6 mild hybrid setup delivers 375 horsepower and 369 lb-ft, paired with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Mercedes claims a 0-60 time of around 4.4 seconds for the E450, making it a sleeper in tailored clothing. Dynamic handling is enhanced by rear axle steering and adaptive suspension, ensuring a silky ride with agile control. Acceleration is smooth yet assertive, thanks to electric boost from the integrated starter generator, which adds torque and efficiency. Eco, comfort, sport, and individual modes let drivers tailor the car's response. And if rumors are true, a high-performance AMG F53 version is in the works, expected to pack over 430 HP and hybrid enhancements for even more drama. The E-Class isn't just back, it's evolved into something smarter, cleaner, and still thrilling to drive. So what's the cost of Mercedes innovation? The 2026 E-Class lineup starts at $62,000 for the E350, rising to $68,500 for the E4NATIC before destination charges. With optional packages like Pinnacle Trim, AMG Styling $3,200, Digital Light Technology $1,500, Acoustic Glass $1,100, and the Driver Assistance Package $2,250. Fully loaded variants can climb north of $85,000. And with handcrafted interiors or exclusive manufacturer paint, you're easily approaching six figures. In Pakistan, base pricing is estimated to translate to Rs 260 300 lakh before duties, while a fully optioned E-Class could hit Rs 550 600 lakh. Positioned above the C-Class but below the flagship's class, the E-Class continues to attract professionals who value performance without sacrificing refinement, those seeking a car that works hard and looks good doing it. So, why should you care? The 2026 Mercedes E-Class is not just a luxury sedan, it's a vision of future mobility rooted in classic craftsmanship. With its electrified powertrain, seamless deck integration, serene ride quality, and unmistakable design, it sets the benchmark for the mid-size luxury segment. It's not just premium, it's purposeful. And for fans of the E-Class legacy, this generation marks the most intelligent and emotionally engaging version yet. Whether you're chasing comfort, confidence, or quiet innovation, the 2026 E-Class wraps it all in one luxurious package that feels both new and familiar, a perfect balance for the modern world. Finally, if you're energized by what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars Trends. Let us know your favorite trim, tech feature, or exterior color. As always, hit the bell so you never miss our next deep dive. This has been Cars Trends. See you next ride.